Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have several different items to share with you, and as for the beginning of the haul videos, I always share with you the boring stuff or the repurchases for the home. And not shown here are paper plates, toilet paper, paper towels, and a box of tissues. And some of the napkins for like dinners and stuff. And one other thing before I forget, I did get a 2-pack of these little foil trays. I typically make cookies or deviled eggs and other things like that. So 2 of these are going to come in handy with the holiday season because we've got more dinners coming up. So I got 2 of those. I got my blueberry and almond dish soap. They didn't have the sponges I like, so didn't get sponges today. Lime Away toilet cleaner. You can also use this in your bathtub and it works great. I got one of the Fab 40-ounce liquid detergent. It's really good stuff. Finally had more scent boosters, so I grabbed one of those. I got some of the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes because 'tis the season and always need these in the kitchen, but now I need some for the doorway. So I got some zipper seal freezer storage bags. Handle bags, those are my favorite. I got some parchment paper because I needed it and I like to bake and make candies. Got some foil. This is a 25-foot one. I grabbed another dish brush. I love these. 2 double A's and 1 triple A battery. Just need them for random things. Also, Christmas is coming up and we're going to need them for toys, I'm sure. I got some of these Sure Fresh bowl covers. I love these. They last forever too. I got a box of the Daytime Cold and Flu liquid capsules. They're non-drowsy, just in case. And I picked up another Assured All Day Pain Relief. This is comparable to a leave. You get 15 in here for $1. You can't beat it. They're actually really good quality. Some seasonal stuff I got are this 50 count cupcake cups or baking cups. I liked this candy cane print, so I grabbed those. I grabbed this for Connor. It's just a paint your own ornaments. This is the only one that they had left, but I thought he would enjoy it all the same. Get paints, paintbrush, and the ornaments himself. I got cotton swabs for my makeup table, cotton balls for makeup table, and cotton rounds for makeup removal. Will not buy cotton products anywhere else except, now if I was going to buy cotton balls or cotton swabs for ears, they would be a name brand. I don't like the Dollar Tree ones for ears. But these for makeup work great, and I love that they come in a container. Then a few learning things that we found. I got another pack of the pre-K number cards, and these are bigger, and I don't know what happened to our other cards, but just a refresh. And then the Feed the Monster alphabet game. There is 4 in here. But, you know, it comes with 4 boards, 56 stickers. Peel and place the stickers beside their matching letters. And I just thought that would be a fun activity with the letters. I also got my first shape sticker book. And he just loves sticker books, so. He'd do that. And then I also grabbed the My First Book of Stickers, 100 Stickers Picture Dictionary. And you just will sit and do the stuff. It's got letters and everything in this one. And I thought that would be a good just activity for Connor. Then I've been wanting to do some reorganizing, and I've been reworking my makeup stuff, and I wanted some new organizers for that. So I got 2 of these rectangle drawer organizers. I got the rubber so the products don't slip. This bigger one, a bigger rectangle. It's almost 2 of those small ones. Then I got the organizer with the lid. I love these. I use them for my stampers. I would organize on top of the desk, different things. So I bought this one just to have it. It was the only one they had. I just grabbed it. The first time finding these are the organizers with the lids. So I thought one for the bathroom, one for the makeup table. And they're kind of chunky and kind of big, but I'm excited I found these. And then I got this 3-piece organizing baskets. And I actually really like these for nail polishes. The really thin, like slender ones or mini polishes. So yes, I'm going to be doing some organizing, so look for some updated organizing or collection videos coming soon. Down the toy aisle, we found some Christmas gifts. So a military set and a police set, and this is going to go with paired with some of the other gifts that I found the kids we have to buy for at Walmart and stuff. I found this Lisa Frank glitter art set, and it says it has 8 glitter colors, a peel back tool, an easel frame, and I thought that was definitely worth $1 and super cute for the little girl. And I also found Kelsey this little pet puppy set to go with the other stuff that I found the kids at Dollar General and at Walmart actually. So I'm excited for these finds. And then this is for Connor, and we won't say what it is, but it's for his stocking. And then in the beauty aisle, I'll switch camera angle because I wanted to show you up close looks. But I just repurchased the headbands I always get. They look like that. I love them. They break kind of easy, but for 3 for $1, you can't beat that. I did find more Bolero products at my DollarTree, and then I picked up the last coconut cream and vanilla face mask. So I was excited to have this. And they had the cranberry and sweet orange. So I picked up that one. And then they had 3 packs of the Bolero face wipes left, and I picked up 2 of those. And I grabbed 2. This time they had cranberry and sweet orange. Last time I had to get the vanilla and coconut, which is fine. I bought 3 then, got 2 this time. I don't really need any more wipes, but I thought to put back because I really, really love the Bolero wipes. Totally worth the $1. Really awesome. Very saturated, nice, good quality. The scent isn't overpowering. You don't burn your eyes. They remove all the makeup, and you get 30 for $1. I found new makeup items. Now these 2 are going as gifts. They're going to someone who, her name's Kendall. She's like 12 years old, so I thought she'd really like these. I saw them. I got the LaColors Color Craze Polish Perfect. I got her like an adult coloring book and some crayons, or well, pencils and stuff to go with that. So I thought some nail polish and some lip glosses would go good with that. Gift for her. So you just get a holographic glitter in this beautiful teal color. And then this LaColors 2-piece lip gloss set. This is like a iridescent kind of pink clear one. And this one's just like a hot pink one. But I figured she'd really enjoy the clear one anyways. Well, those were really cute makeup things to pair with her gift. And then last, I found a few new LaColors stuff that's definitely been picked over, but I was excited to have what I found in the end. So everybody been hauling the liquid shimmer highlighters. I did find 2 different one of these. The other one seemed more like a body bronzer kind of liquid thing. Too dark for me. I wouldn't use it anyways. So I got the Multi-Shimmer Glow Candlelight Liquid Shimmer Highlighter. So I am excited to try this. Now, once again, I don't need to remind you, but if you're interested in reviews of any of these LaColors products, leave me a comment in the description box, and I'll do one. I'll do swatches and review. Now, I found these new loose face and body shimmers, and I hadn't seen anybody haul these, but I'm sure they have, just no one I personally watched. This one's like a pink one. It's called Fairy Dust. And I got Magical Dust. It's like a peachy pink kind of shade, or coral. This one's a pinky purple actually. The lighting's not too good. It's 4 in the afternoon. It's getting dark. And then the last one I was able to find, I only found 3, is Pixie Dust. And it's like a blue, purple, periwinkle kind of color. Even kind of reminds me of like cornflower, but kind of lighter. So I got all 3 of those. And that's the haul. That's the DollarTree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming DollarTree videos. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Happy holidays, and don't forget to check the description box for additional DollarTree links.